Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM and Delhi Meeting Coordination Committee DMCC have submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister demanding urgent action over the continuing security crisis in Manipur. The organization called for immediate abrogation of suspension of Operation SoO agreement with Kuki militant groups, alleging that the framework has failed to restore peace and is instead allowing armed groups to operate without accountability. The memorandum highlighted the killing of 6 Naga civilians whose bodies were recovered near Leilong Baipai on June 10. It alleged that the victims were subjected to torture before being killed and demanded immediate arrest and prosecution of all those responsible. IPFM and DMCC said that the incident was a part of a wider pattern of violence, including attacks on the Meitei civilians, women and children. They urged both the centre and the Manipur government to ensure justice of all affected families. The organization alleged that SoO groups have violated terms of the agreement by allowing cadres to leave designated camps and participate in attacks. They cited incidents of armed mobilization, extortion and illegal activities as reasons for ending the agreement. The memorandum also raised concerns over alleged security lapses during the Kanto Sabal arson incident in Imphal West on July 11. It claimed that several Meitei homes, including the residence of former Indian footballer Laiktonjam Sanatoy, were set on fire despite the presence of nearby security installations. IPFM and DMCC accused security forces of selective action and alleged unequal treatment among communities during operations. They demanded illegal weapons be recovered from all groups without discrimination. The organization criticized handling of the ethnic conflict that began on May 3, 2023, stating that more than 260 people have died and over 60,000 have been displaced. They accused both the centre and the state government of failing to restore normalcy. Responding to the recent statement by the Kuki Council, the group said justice must apply equally to all communities. They criticized demands for separate union territory, arguing that division will not bring a lasting peace to Manipur. The memorandum also demanded action against KNFP chairman Thangboy Kipgan over alleged involvement in militant activities. The IPFM president Chingnaug Chung Makhan and DMCC convener Biramani Sarasam urged the government to act immediately, warning that continued inaction could further worsen the situation in Manipur. A fresh landslide